Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of a Leetcode, which is Leetcode 2748. Find the maximum number of string pair. So in this question you just have to given a word array consisting a distinct string. Okay, so here is a word array which is consisting a distinct word matlab integer sorry string. So you just have to return the pair. Okay, you just have to return the pair which having after we reverse it, so it will become a same. So in this question just cd, and if we reverse it dc, it will become dc. So here is in one, and ac, if you reverse it, it will become ca. So you just have to return the pair, means you just have to return the count 2. After the reversing, it will become equals to some integer. Okay, sorry, string. So first I will int words dot size and create int count equals to 0, and I will traverse for int I equals to 0, I less than n minus 1 and I plus plus, and string I will first reverse, which is array of I, and after that I just have to reverse ref dot begin comma ref dot end. Okay, and again for int j equals to I plus 1 comma j less than n and j plus plus, if ref equals to array of j, you just have to count plus plus. Okay, this will give me a reverse of a string, and uh, I will again make a loop for this, that if reverse is equals to array of j, then I just have to do count plus plus, and if it is not, then it will move to the loop, further loop. Okay, so let's return the count. Let's run this code. Here is an array. Okay, it's a word, words of I. Okay, again array, I just have to rewrite the value words. let's run this. Let's run this code. Yeah, this works fine. Let's submit. Yeah, this has been submitted. Thanks for watching.